In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change themes in ClickUp. Customizing the look and feel of your workspace can make a big difference in how you interact with your tools. ClickUp, a popular productivity and project management platform, offers a variety of themes to help you personalize your experience. Whether you prefer a sleek, dark mode or a vibrant pop of color, setting up a theme that suits your style is simple and quick. Let me guide you step by step to change your ClickUp theme and create a workspace that feels just right for you. First, open your web browser of choice and navigate to www.clickup.com. Once you're on the website, sign into your ClickUp account using your preferred login method. You can enter your email and password or connect through a supported social platform if you've set that up. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete any additional security steps, such as entering a code sent to your device to access your account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the homepage there. You'll see your profile avatar or your account name displayed. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Themes. This will take you to the customization area where all the available theme options are displayed. Now, take a moment to review the selection of color themes that ClickUp offers. You'll find themes such as black, purple, blue, pink, violet, indigo, orange, teal, bronze, and mint. Each theme provides a unique aesthetic, so feel free to explore and find one that matches your personal preference or working style. When you spot a theme you'd like to try, simply click on it. You'll notice that the theme is previewed instantly, giving you a quick look at how it will appear within your workspace. If you're happy with the way it looks, that's great. You're all set. If not, you can continue trying out other themes until you find one that feels just right. After making your selection, the theme should apply automatically. However, if you don't see the change immediately, don't worry. A quick refresh of the page should resolve the issue and display your new theme. And that's it. You've successfully updated the look of your ClickUp workspace. If you don't already have a ClickUp account but want to try out these features, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and get started. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.